Hi, Colin Hung here for Healthcare IT Today, and I'm here in Toronto, my hometown, and I'm attending the annual Collision Conference down here at the Harbourfront. It's a fantastic conference. It's definitely the place to be if you're a startup in the tech industry or if you are an angel or seed investor. This is the place where you can find a lot of truly interesting companies, interesting technologies, and hear from some industry experts in terms of what are the trends that are going on. If I had to pick a topic of this year's conference, I would have to say, of course, it is AI. AI topics were everywhere, and whether that was in fintech, manufacturing, logistics, AI was talked about, and definitely a lot of companies were highlighting the fact that they were using AI in some innovative way to improve the lives in those particular industries. Now, in terms of healthcare, there were a handful of companies here that were showcasing their unique solutions for the healthcare industry. There were some that were doing some things around mental health. There were a lot of screening applications. And I saw a number of hardware-based companies that were doing some very unique things around remote patient monitoring, fetal care, pregnancy care, and also home monitoring to allow people to age in place. Here are a few of those companies I managed to speak to while here at Collision.
So my name is Marc. I am the Partnerships Manager for our age tech solution here at Pontosense. What we do is we are in the age tech space, so we deal mostly with senior care. Our age tech solution uses millimeter wave radar. So it sits just in the corner of your room. You could think of it like a smoke detector in your house. It's there to keep you safe, but you don't really notice it, so you don't have to wear anything, and you just walk into the room. It's there to measure if anybody falls, any presence in the room, so we can do multiple presence. And the new part about our business is activity level monitoring. So we're able to measure, are you spending too much time in the bed? Are you moving around enough? Are you leaving your bedroom enough? And then we can flag abnormal behaviors to your caregivers or your family members or whoever's watching over you, just to really give them that peace of mind.
Hi, my name is Eunice. I'm co-founder and CEO of Asepha. I'm here at Collision, getting to meet a lot of new startups, meeting a lot of investors as well. I think it's a great place to network and just explore opportunities for your business.
Yeah, so my name is Dolma. I'm the CEO and founder of Flutter Care. We're helping families to have safer and more informed pregnancy experiences. We're developing a non-invasive wearable device to enable parents and physicians to continuously monitor fetal health from home. We have a hardware, which is a wearable device, which is worn on the belly, and then that connects to software as well to be able to interpret the data and provide insights to families and providers. But currently we also have a standalone mobile application that allows families to manually track their fetal movements and then see their patterns over time.
Overall, I have to say this conference is great. It's always great to come to a show that caters to the startup areas and people who are investing in startups. There's definitely an energy here, a buzz, optimism, all those kinds of words come to my mind when I describe this conference. And there were some pretty interesting technologies on display. But I think what impressed me the most were some of the keynote speakers and sessions. There were definitely some very interesting ones who were talking about the latest trends in marketing, the latest trends in technology. There were definitely a lot of talks about AI and how, although on one hand AI may be coming for your job, on the other hand is creating a lot of new opportunities for people who maybe couldn't have access in the past. Because, for example, although there may be a lot of developers who may be losing their jobs to AI coders in the future, it just means that more and more people are now able to flex their creative muscle and create apps who previously would have to rely on hiring a big team of developers. That may not be the case going forward. Therefore, we may have more apps, more interesting creative technologies and companies coming forward because of the democratization of AI in the development space. Overall, very happy being here at Collision. I do have to say though that this year's event did feel a little bit smaller than prior years. I think that was okay because it definitely allowed more space in the aisles for you to actually have a conversation with the startups that are here. So I hope you liked this summary. I hope you enjoyed this conference coverage as much as I enjoyed making it. And if you did, please like and subscribe. Also, head on over to healthcareiTtoday.com where you can find more great content like this. I'm Colin Hung here in Toronto, Ontario. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.